BEERGR box number 2, featuring Chef Martin Firestone from Firestone's Kitchen. You are going to be cooking what for this BEERGR box live with the people that buy the BEERGR box?
We are going to be featuring a prime bone-in ribeye for 2. A nice thick cut. We're going to walk through those processes with you on why we're going with 1 cut for 2 people.
How thick is it?
It's going to be just under 2 inches thick.
Oh, a giant bone-in ribeye with what are we cooking with it?
We're going to sear that in a cast iron skillet, and then we're going to serve that with a smashed Yukon Gold potatoes that'll be like lightly Cajun, and we have a scallion sour cream with a little lemon zest.
Ooh. What are the main things that you're going to teach the people that cook live with you?
Our biggest thing we want to come out for is making sure that we show a nice good sear, Maillard effect we're trying to go for on that cut from start to finish, bench dressing, and then slicing presentation.
You can get this BEERGR box at gordonsmarket.com. Those boxes have to be ordered by February 13th because they'll be shipped on February 14th, and the live stream will be on February 20th. Select live stream option, or if you don't want to do the live stream option, you can also do the box only option, and you can cook it with your family and follow the directions along and make the perfect steak with the perfect potatoes designed by Chef Firestone.